Specifically to this particular master plan here that shows us the layout of the hospital being the answer. This particular building labeled A is not a all boasting a capacity of 80 beds each. So, sir, we have Bunduki inaitwa 6 mheshimiwa. Inatumia risasi aina ya
karibu sana, karibu tena nchi.
for being such tremendous partners. Thank you for all that you're doing, not just... This is the first hospital professionalism, sacrifice, and willingness to engage a formidable
yako. Tafadhali kwa sasa ninakaribisha kibao cha pili cha
Bugwa, the Commissioner of Prisons, Mr. Wycliffe Ogalo, the Prison Secretary, State Department retired Dr. Gordon Pilangwa, Your Security, Your Excellency, specialized equipment, seeking collaboration with the likely to evolve around the strengthening of the council, building partnerships on this embody a true blend of multi-agency integration. Kenya Defense Forces, Your Excellency, trained summary training by the KDF. We also conduct and we have information sharing, immigration, we work alliance, and contraband goods. Your Excellency have assisted us in terms of construction equipment, which you have seen today, and for the British government offers equipment and support training to our officers. The campus management strategy. On this particular important, Your Excellency, we have been meeting along our border. I therefore note with satisfaction the representative of the U.S. government.
Okay. We have watched the BPU transform into one of the most... While we are proud of the role with Kenya, as well as the deep friendship we enjoy with the Kenyan people, to the Border Police and the Border Police Unit Training Camp, donation of 131 million shillings in vehicles, mobility on the border, improve firearms proficiency given annually to fight HIV, AIDS, tuberculosis, and malaria.